Yo, yo, yo. Day 3. Boom, boom. That's right. Man, stayed up trying to get all these file things to work. Native access, Arteria. I think it's finally working. Yeah, it's finally working. Actually, so Arteria was having the similar problem where whenever I would try to download and install a Arteria program, it would like pause the installation a ton, and I'd have to keep clicking like install, download, and I'd have to maybe click it twice, maybe, and for a certain app, and it'll work. And it finally worked for that one of the giant apps that was having issues. I just restarted my computer. Windows had a new update. I mean, now we got Copilot down here. Yeah, native access support actually got back to me, and they said, "Oh, hey, that's a known problem." What? It's a known issue for for a small number of our users. Like, what? And they said, try using a smaller. They said, here, just download the previews application, the one that was giving me problems, from this link, and try to use a smaller installation path. So, okay. I don't know if you remember before, my installation path was like really detailed. I had native instruments, native instruments applications. I had like parentheses, spaces, and I've had that issue before, even with Ableton, where I would have a very long file name, like very long, and it actually like caused a severe error on like the file in a file explorer. Not only file explorer, but also Ableton itself. So yeah, gotta be mindful about that, because even if I could rename a file a certain like really long name, it could cause bad problems. Like Ableton won't be able to save new data to that file. It won't be able to rename that file, and I can't even move that file. It's actually stuck. I don't know where. I think it's on my laptop. The file is stuck, and I can't actually move it anymore. Like, so I actually, yeah, I was making a new directory anyway, so it's not a huge deal. But in that one older file directory, that file is still there. I think my way around it is I couldn't copy it, I couldn't paste it, I couldn't do anything. Luckily though, I was able to open, and I had other files that weren't as big as that one, newer ones, so that's good, I think. So I was able to actually open a file version that was older, that wasn't as long, and I was able to save that and change it. It was a headache, but that's something to be mindful of. Don't be making file names so long. Don't be making folder names so long. So instead of doing this whole thing, I just did NI content, NI application. I'm getting rid of the spaces, because who knows, some applications, they work well, some others they don't. Native access did not work well with long names. For this whole Ableton thing, I had Ableton Live 11 parenthesis application library, removed spaces, removed parentheses, the things that could cause problems to some applications, some terminal, because I've been there before. It's harder to deal with stuff like that. So I made plugins. I got rid of the VST2. I got rid of VST3. I just moved these up, removed a file directory, because it's really long. I need these because I want to know what folder I'm going into when I'm accessing the plugins. And then there we go. So I removed a folder. I made them smaller. It's working now. I don't know what was the issue exactly. Maybe it was that. Probably it was part of it, because you would think native access wouldn't be having these problems if for people to have the default setup, I was changing file directories and stuff. So if I'm going to change file directories, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to keep it remove spaces, remove parentheses, and keep as short a directory as possible. Yeah, I could go shorter, but it's working now, so I'm going to just let it be. Installed. Hey, okay, that's installing fairly quickly. Let's keep installing. I'm just not going to install. I'm going to wait for the end for this one because it's a very large one, and it gave me this one installed though. It gave me issues. So worst case scenario. So I'm going to wait for this one for the end, and if it doesn't work, if preview doesn't work, I'll use their installation. They gave me a link to install this one. So that's cool. I'm surprised that they answered really quick. I think maybe in a day, 2 days, 1.5 days. So that's cool. I actually got all of Arturia installed. Let me boot this up just to show. I'm gonna have to change everything's gonna be corrupted, or I need to repair it because I changed the file directory. So now I need to. It was strange. I try to relocate. This is the VST. It doesn't recognize it. So that's why I have to reinstall the ones that are not. I was able to change the location for not the VST location, but the content location. That actually worked. I mean, I'll show you. It won't, probably because I don't have a custom Reactor 6 folder for its VST, for its 64-bit. I don't think so, but it still works. I could just install it. Reinstall. Queues it up. All right, keep this queue going. Install. Yeah, I'm not gonna click install all because if I do that, I'm scared of previews. I'm scared. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Arturia is all set up. Let me fix the preferences though. It's a very long name. Browse. Are you about to relocate your resource folder? Am I? No. Arturia. Oh, I didn't change it yet. I didn't change this stuff yet. This is program data. No. Oh, what even is the name? I can't see it. That stinks. Arturia resources. Okay, it is the resource folder. I need to rename this. I don't want it so long. But is it worth it? Because it was giving me so much problems when I tried installing stuff. So imagine when I need to update stuff. I don't want to have to go through this headache again. So I'm going to make this path shorter and hopefully that fixes things. Oh, what's going on here? Something failed. Yo, what's going on? See, it's just strange. I don't know if it's my internet, but sometimes I need to like refresh, even for like pages. When I will open up like a web browser, sometimes I need to just refresh the page a few times for it to open. I don't know what the problem. I've always had this. I had that problem for a long time now. Maybe it's a router internet problem. This is going fairly quickly, which is good. Let's just load up the queue. I'm pleasantly surprised it's working this well right now. Wow, these are big ones. Oh, snap. I do have sufficient space, but I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. This is a lot. This is at least like 100 gigs. And Arturia with native access combined, maybe it's 150, give or take. So all right, everything's queued up except previews. Okay. Let me first check up. I changed this folder. I need to fix it. Yep. There we go. Hopefully I don't have to reinstall everything though. Let's see. Plugins. This is for the 64-bit. Arturia. Boom. 32-bit. I even added a underscore here just in case. 32-bit. Arturia. Boom. Okay. Scape. I mean, nothing seems broken, so that's good. Let me now change this folder. Hopefully it remains unbroken. Arturia resources, program data. Probably doesn't do much, but early stream. Arturia resources, program data. Now let's change it here. Preferences, folders. Browse. Relocate. Okay. No, not there. Applications. Wait, it's called Arturia in here? Strange. It already exists, so I guess I have to move it. Ooh. Bruh. Did I just mess everything up? Let me put it back to what it was. Create a new one. There. Take 1 hour? Ooh, should I do this at the same time as native access? I don't know. Let me not. I don't want things to cause. It's going so well so far, so let me just because this is not exactly necessary. I'm just doing this for the future, so I don't have. Maybe it's a smoother process in the future. Hopefully. And hopefully it does not include this Arturia, because the less folders, apparently, the better. So I'll let this install. Wow. Very quick. Very quick. Nice. I've tried which one? Scarby Rickenbacker bass. Got some good bass lines. Bass guitar. It's pretty cool. I have not tried most of these though. So a lot to try. Massive is apparently also a good one, but I don't know if I've tried it that much. It's cool. It has India for those Indian vibes. Or I think I saw another one. Oh, it's a different one. West African. That's pretty cool. No one in my chat. That's fine. I thought I saw some sort of Latin one. There's Middle East. It's a cool catalog of sounds. Can't wait to give them a try. Really, I was certain there was a Latin one. Maybe that was part of Arteria. Ethereal Earth. Ooh. They've got some good names. I'll give them credit. The Gentleman. Una corda. Corda. That's Spanish. Una corda. One accord. Yeah, accord. It would be uno. Corda? Nah. Maybe this is one chord. My Spanish isn't so good. Should be better. Like, I can understand it. But I'm trying to practice, like, everything else. Speaking especially is my weak point. Okay, this is going very well. Installing. I think I'm nearing the end. Oh wait, all of these still need to install. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna set up a subwoofer. Oh wait, no, I don't want to do this now. Oh no. What should I? Too late. Stop scanning. It's broken, I know. Stop scanning. Yo, I got 2 viewers. Oh, 3 viewers. Big. 3 viewers. Let's go. Stop scanning, please. No, it's not correct paths. I know. Will it let me cancel? Okay, there. There we go. All right, VST2 in custom folder. All right, that makes sense. I'll just do plugins. VST2. Come on, just stop. Browse. Cancel. Okay. Here, VST3 can only be 64-bit, so I know just to do this. Boom. Now this should work. Emphasis on the should. It's taking a while. I just don't want it to cause problems scanning that location while it's downloading to the, while it's installing to that location. That's why I didn't want to. I like kind of second guessed myself opening this thing. Not responding. I guess it worked. Make sure the system folders is on because otherwise it's too complicated to understand why it's not working. Okay. What else do I need to do? I think there's some more preferences I need to fix. Plugins, let's go to library. Yeah, this needs to be fixed. App library. Going to packs. Right here. Bombastic. What an awesome pack name. Oh, I lost 2 viewers. It's like they lasted me a few minutes. This is the annoying part. This is the setup. This is the part everyone has trouble with. The noob trying to set up. I know probably there's not many noobs out there, but if you are a noob, maybe this helps you out. It's relatable. These problems and issues are relatable. Ooh, I got 2 viewers back. 2 viewers and 4 viewers. Is that a record? I think that might be a record. That's a personal record. Let's go. Yeah, this is the setup. This is the daily grind. 26 music albums. So I released 2 songs, 2 beats, and not even songs, they're beats. I gave them titles. Yeah, the last one I did, Sunflower Field, I did that one actually a long time ago, but I haven't uploaded because I didn't like the quality. I think it's probably it's over the limit of YouTube's like you could only have a certain amount of bits of data that get processed on YouTube. This one's definitely over. I mean, every single frame needs to be processed. I mean, every single pixel. And I just don't think YouTube is able to do it. Or not just YouTube, even when wait, what's this? Yes, help me, native access helper, help me. Yeah, my latest one, Sunflower Field, it's just, give it a look. It just stinks because I made that in Premiere, Adobe Premiere, or no, I made that in After Effects, Adobe After Effects. And it stinks because it is so crisp and clean on After Effects, but when I render it, it comes out like it can't even process all the data. That's where it's not, I don't blame YouTube, I blame After Effects. So I'll probably need to find some After Effects community place, maybe on Reddit, ask them what's going on. I need to give them all the information I have, all the setting information, take a billion screenshots and then send them and see if they can give me a solution. Because the way I made that video, it's not a conventional way. Like, I don't see a YouTube tutorial on how I did that. I could probably, so if I could figure it out, that'd be really cool. Because it's not, I don't want to make the basic boring spectrum ball like that you see on Trap Nation and all those wannabe copies. I don't like it. It's too normie. It's too boring. So I made my own little ball of life. It's not a ball. It's like an oval. And yeah, it just goes crazy. So I didn't have music video content for it, so I just made a visualizer that was epic. I added a little sunflower field on there. The reason for the name, the title, little tidbit, because I had the sunflower field video footage and this circle, the little ball, this oval in the center, you can notice at the end of the video, it looks like a little sunflower. So yeah, a little sunflower field. The visualizer is a sunflower. Okay, this is working. Is this working? Yeah, that's working as well. Or that's it, file folder, what's this? Okay, I have all my temporary stuff in my C drive, my main drive. I need to keep a close eye on this C drive because otherwise I need to move all this cache data to a different drive. Create analysis files. Don't know what that is, but sure. All right, this appears to be set up. How many viewers I got? How many viewers? I got 2 watching. Solid. One of them's me. 3 watching. Yo, I got a like. I repeat, I got a like. 2 likes. I got 2 likes. They're out there. They're watching me. Probably just my family. All right, installed. Wait, is everything installed? Yeah, everything's installed. Let me update this real quick. Download failed. Let me close this. Just I don't want problems, man. It says 3 hours, but it'll take 3 minutes because it's not loading at the start. 9 megabytes. Wait, that is scary. Like, why did it stop at 9? Hopefully it still works. Do it up. Eight hours later. Still at 9. It's freaky. Hopefully that works. If not, I'll have to go ask them for an Abbey Road 60s trimmer. AB? Don't know how to say that. For watching. 14 hours later. Yeah, so it's a boring stream, but this type of stream, type of work that needs to get done. It's boring work, it's annoying work. It's headache prone. Nah, I don't get headaches from this. But it ain't gotta be done. Got to be done. 20 hours later. Yeah, hopefully this is not going to be a problem. Hopefully this is not the new previews. The dreaded previews does not load. Okay. I want this to sit. I don't want it to cause problems. What was happening with Arturia? Kind of forget. Oh yeah, I was saying that like I didn't want it to move this stuff at the same time this stuff is trying to download. Well, I won't close it while it's synchronizing. I'll close it now. One thing at a time. The more things I have running, the more chance there's problems. Hey, 10 hours. How is it 10 hours? It was just 20. And that's annoying. Hopefully it solves itself. Alright. So I'm gonna just let this cook on its own. I need to eat breakfast. It's already noon. Went to bed at like 3 a.m. trying to get all this stuff to work. And then it kills the internet downloading all this stuff too. So I'm also pleasantly surprised my internet's keeping up. Hey, finally. Woohoo! Yeah. Okay. 34 minutes and decreasing. Oh, my stomach is growling. It's hungry. Alright, I'm gonna let this cook. And I'll check in, probably try this one, the final boss. And then I'll relocate, or I'll move the Arteria stuff from this old one to this new one. Hopefully that's a smooth process. Yeah, that's maybe it for today. I'm gonna go get some food. Peace. I mean, if I do stream again, I'll be like day 3.5. Shout out to that one guy. I got the idea from this one guy. I forget what his name is. What's his name? I'll have to shout him out when I find his name. I'm following him. But yeah. He does this thing for coding. For he's on like day 84 or day 83 of creating like something like 33 startups or 20 startups until he becomes rich. I think he's on his second startup, maybe. Maybe it's still his first. I don't know. I think he's on his second. It's cool. He just codes live stream, tries to figure it out, uses ChatGPT. It's cool. I might do the same for, maybe I make a coding channel whenever I'm working with code. I was working on code for like literally 2 months with a home loan machine learning calculator thing. Took me a while. Maybe it took me a little too long. I thought it was going to be done in a month. I'm like, all right, I just have a few more stuff to do. I'll be done in a few days. I'll be done by January. By January 1st. 1 month later. The most annoying part of it was that I was using R and it had to be constrained to a 1 gigabyte of memory. That was the tough part. So I had to keep the model small. I mean, I can go over all that. Maybe I make another channel for it. I do have a gaming channel. I could live stream some games, some gameplay. I usually play a game on the weekends or in the morning with my bros. Maybe once a week, maybe twice a week. Yeah, I mean, I got a few channels. So I like to keep them separate, keep them focused on what the content's about. But I don't have a coding channel, so I mean, it's because I'm not such a good coder. I'm a good prompt engineer. And I don't know, maybe I'm a good coder, maybe not. I don't think I am. I need to learn a lot more. I need to practice object-oriented, like understanding the whole self-inheritance stuff, which is kind of confusing. What else do I need to practice? I need to like practice a lot with, I need to learn a lot of different models because I just know the random forest one and the regression, linear regression. I thought it was like logistic regression. No, it's not logistic. I probably sound so not smart. But yep. Okay, this is going well. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat. I'm so hungry. Alright, I'm gonna stop it here. Peace out. Stay grinding. Join the Discord. Let me just make sure it actually stops. Because the first stream it stopped early. It cut what I was